If you want to keep the listeners' attention, then I need you to practice these prepositions with me because I'm standing on my garden and I'm going to need your help to correct these prepositions in American English. Are you ready? Okay, let's practice. Did you notice how odd that mistake sounded when I said that sentence with the wrong preposition? Because I'm standing on my garden. That is exactly how the listener feels when we make or we choose the wrong preposition for that context. Today we're going to practice in, at, and on in sentences, and hopefully you can understand how you can use these in conversations because we definitely want to keep the listener's attention, right? Okay, we can do this, can't we? We can do this. There's only two prepositions that we can use from this video, either in or at. So if I came to this location, we're going to use which preposition? Yeah, we're going to use at. I can only use in for when I'm inside the building. I'm going in the Goodwill. So which preposition would I use right now? In or at? So if you said the word in, that is exactly correct. And why is that? It's because when you are in an enclosed area or a physical space, you use the preposition in. Let me clear up the tension between these two prepositions in and at, because I would say the water's a little muddy. Wouldn't you say? Here's the difference. When you use the preposition in, you have to be inside an area. You have to be in an enclosed area to say in. So, for an example, she's in her room. I'm in a meeting. Okay? So, those are enclosed areas. For the preposition at, however, I have to be at a precise spot to say that. The papers are in the folder. We live in California. She was born in the 80s. I'm at the zoo. Horse riding practice is at 3 o'clock. I'm at work. I'm telling you where I'm at exactly. You know where to find me. Besides, you need the address, okay? You know where to find me. Now let's transition to the preposition on. When I am using that preposition, it has to be on the surface of something. My computer is on the table. My notebook is on the table, and so forth for everything that's on here. When you want to use the preposition on, it has to have contact with the surface, meaning that it's sitting on there. Now, let's go over some more examples for the preposition on. Don't you want to get these right? Yeah, I know. Let's do this. She's on the bus. Her birthday is on January 14th. Those were great examples to let you know how to use the preposition on. So, for an example, for the transportation, she was on the bus. You can also use it for the airplane, car, train. Any one of those works. So I'm flying on the airplane next summer to go to the Bahamas. Which mode of transportation are you going to use to go on your vacation? The other example was for a calendar. Okay, so we have specific dates or days of the week. My birthday is on September 1st. When is your birthday? And would you like to have a language exchange session on Saturday? Now we're getting ready to have a quiz because this lesson would not be complete if I didn't test your knowledge now on these prepositions, in, at, and on. All right, let's answer these 3 questions so we can wrap this lesson up. So I'm sitting in the room with my friend and I say, hey, can you go get my headphones in the chair? Was that right? Well, not for this context. We need to say, oh, okay, my headphones are sitting on the chair. Can you go grab those? It's because they are sitting on a surface, they're resting on it. What's on your purse or what's in your purse? Let's check and see which one is correct. For this example, you want to say what's in your purse because it's on the inside. If you ask me where my husband is at, go ahead and ask me. Oh, my husband is at the gym. Did I use the correct preposition? Yes, I did, because that is a precise location on where he's at. All right, guys, let me know how many you got correct down below. Don't be ashamed, because this is a safe place where we learn to make mistakes. We learn with other people so that we can improve our English. I will see you guys in the next video. Choose, ciao, y zai jin. Almost said adios.